Hello, and thank you for tuning into another JD channel video, in which today we got a little surprise for the Budget Integra. Hopefully this will bring it into the 21st century. Check it out. So what we got here, I'm going to play with my ring light right here just to lighten up a little, is just basically a no function radio, non-mechanical radio. This one has mirror link. I was looking for radios for a while for the Integra, but I'll tell you why I decided to name brand for the budget build instead of the knockoff ones is because every one I bid on eBay for around 20 bucks, 10 bucks never showed up, so I got a Blaupunkt. This one comes with 2 speakers, as well as, of course, it has the hands-free functionality, mirror link, and of course USB and AUX. So let's unbox this and check out what we got. Even a remote. That I didn't know it had, so that's kind of cool. And also, before you try to wire anything, or just so you don't have to cut anything, use the ring light with that, you might as well order one of these harnesses. This is about 5 bucks on eBay. At Fry's, these were not very easy to find, so I got one on eBay, one at Fry's, just in case I needed it. And it's self-explanatory. I mean, one set of wires, color-coded, tells you what it means in the back, and let's get to it. Let's unbox this one. Okay. Right here, what we got here. This is probably the head unit. It's not that big, to be honest. So I got a double din to fill in that space the Integra has with the holder. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. You got your double din widescreen radio. See, it's thin because it doesn't have any mechanics behind it. For all I know, this probably is just like the actually it has a GPS thing here. Probably is just like the ones that I was looking at online. Hopefully it's a lot better than those though, because it says Blaupunkt on it. And those were a lot cheaper, but this came with speakers and has AM function according to this. The other ones, you'll lose the AM function and you go FM only. And of course the box of speakers. This I'm assuming is the harness. Let's put this down here. And the instruction booklet and the harness, like I thought. Oh, and then the remote. Now I'm going to put this together with these. Should be soldering this, but I bought these clips and I'm curious how these work. So I'm going to just mix and match. Hopefully it goes well, and then we're going to install in the Integra, and I'll show you how to disassemble that and put it together. Now I'm color matching this with the Blaupunkt harness, which seems to be the same. Hoping these work well. I mean, people recommend it. No soldering required for it. So here's a time lapse of me just matching color to color.